Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be live, and we are seeing right now that the broader markets are looking very good. We're seeing that the Dow Jones, the S&P, and the Nasdaq is up like crazy, guys. And a lot of this has been fueled by a couple of things. One, it's been fueled by really good bank earnings, guys. So that is really cool beats. And also, it is also being fueled by that we're going to be entering into the Christmas rally season soon. And typically we see a Christmas rally in November and December, but this could be starting early, guys. So guys, get ready to buckle up. We got lots to talk about. We're seeing a huge massive amount of Bitcoin has just left exchanges, so we're going to be talking about that. Also, we're going to be talking about the Dogecoin and much more out there. So it's a great time to be alive. So guys, remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. It's just the OG in-house expression my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So you knew that if you've been watching for a long time. So let's take a look at what's going on with the DXY right now. So the DXY, the good news out there, the absolutely good news out there is that DXY is going down, down. So that is freaking awesome out there, because we all know that when the DXY goes down, crypto's going to pump, guys. So this is also one of the catalysts that has also been aiding Bitcoin going up right now. But if you take a look at the heat map, we're not feeling it right now because we're seeing that a little bit of red out there. But I wouldn't worry about it. Probably in a couple hours we're going to get a reversal to the upside, guys. So it is okay. If you take a look at what's going on with the market cap right now, the market cap is down. OMG, red card city for the market cap. But overall, I don't think it's a little bit of a profit taking. I wouldn't worry about it. So the big news is, guys, look at this, guys. 740 million Bitcoin exits exchanges, the biggest outflow since June BTC price crash. So guys, remember that when we had this BTC outflow before, and we had all this BTC outflow back in June, we did see that BTC did quickly rebound toward 24,500. So that is pretty cool, guys. And we're seeing right now, this is absolutely a huge whale out there, who basically we're seeing a whole ton of Bitcoin leaving the exchange like crazy, and that is humongous, guys. Absolutely humongous out there. Almost over $250 million worth of Bitcoin has left exchanges, and that is phenomenal. That's fantastic. And we can see that something is happening, and these whales absolutely know something. They're stocking up, guys. They're stocking up right now. So what you should be doing is doing exactly what the whales are doing, is stocking up, guys. It is a great time to be buying Bitcoin. Do not sleep on Bitcoin. If you sleep on Bitcoin, you'll regret it, guys. Absolutely regret it. Not financial advice, guys. So we're seeing some huge whalish games for Bitcoin right now. So that is interesting. Also, commodity experts claim that Bitcoin is the most discounted on the 100-week moving average. So a lot of people are saying that this is a great time to be buying Bitcoin, because we're going to see a huge pumpity pump for Bitcoin coming soon. So let's jump into the Bitcoin price right now. We're seeing that Bitcoin right now is forming a nice head and shoulder pattern here. You can see one shoulder here, guys, another the head, another shoulder here. So we're seeing a nice head and shoulder pattern. If this pattern does play out and breaks above the neckline, we could be seeing a humongous $40,000 coming inside. So you can see here we have a nice head and shoulder pattern. Another reason to be very bullish, and I'm bullish, guys. So much bullishness for Bitcoin. 740 million moving off exchange. OMG, the highest since June. And when that happened in June, we had a nice reversal up to the upside, and that took us to 24K, guys. So head and shoulders pattern on BTC with a target of $40,000, guys. Smash the like, subscribe. Can we hit $40,000? I think we can. It's a great time to be alive, guys. So let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin on the weekly right now. So Bitcoin on the weekly is also looking pretty good. We're still in the green, just barely in the green, guys. But I think that today's Debbie Downer event, it's a no-brainer. We're definitely going to be going to the upside, guys. So let's talk about Dogecoin right now. So Dogecoin right now, unfortunately, has just broken down again. I mean, it was above the white line. What's going on with the Dogecoin? See, we did break above this whole convergence line here, and the 6 cent level was a huge resistance, and we got rejected again and again and again. OMG! Let's get it up, Doge. What is going on with the Dogecoin? Let's take a look at some Dogecoin statistics right now. We're seeing that right now. If you take a look at the Dogecoin risk guide right now, Doge is okay, guys. It's still right now. We're seeing it's about This is extreme risk, right? So you can see here, this is low risk, high risk. So right now we're kind of in low risk. We're not even in the high. So right now it's still a pretty good time. Short-term technicals, we're seeing right now for short-term technicals, we are seeing that still it is looking okay from that perspective. I mean, it's not great, but short-term technicals is still looking good. Long-term technicals, a little bit dicey out there. So what does this mean? Investors observe evaluation of price and volume trends over 200-day trading average. And Doge gives cryptocurrency a long-term technical score of 46, which means the cryptocurrency is in the bottom half of the cryptocurrency we track, with 54% of our coverage universe earning higher score for this metric. So, long-term, Bitcoin, Dogecoin is below the average, so that is not so good. And if you take a look at the volatility out there, we're seeing that volatility is looking pretty good. And what that means is on the low end of the volatility spectrum for cryptocurrency, this means that the price of Dogecoin will move around less than 76% of the other cryptocurrencies. So when we have low volatility for Dogecoin, that's a good place. It means that the price is not going to, suddenly tank. But also on the upside, it doesn't mean that we're going to be going up, guys. So Dogecoin is acting like a stable coin out there. So if you think that Dogecoin is acting like a stable coin, smash the likes and subscribe, guys. And the sentiment is kind of neutral out there. Bill. If you take a look at Dogecoin right now, we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is up slightly right now. But if you take a look at BTC, let's take a look at how BTC is faring in terms of these metrics right now. So we're seeing that, from a risk gauge, we're seeing that it's almost non-risk. We're seeing from a short-term technical perspective, it's still looking pretty good. On a long-term perspective, looking better than Doge, but not that fantastic, right? And the volatility is almost nothing. And you can see the sentiment is really good out there. So that's not too shabby out there. So let's take a look at what's going on with Doge right now in terms of who's in the money and who's out of the money, guys. I mean, the OG, I'm in the money with my Doge, but I bought my Doge a long time ago when the dinosaurs were roaming out there. So we're seeing that right now for my Doge, your Doge, my Doge, get the Doge, buy the Doge, we love the Doge. And we're seeing that we're 40% in the money and 49% out of the money right now. And if you take a look at the signals right now, it's mainly bearish, guys. So Dogecoin is getting a red card because it's breaking down right now. So come on, Doge, you need to giddy on up. So where do I see Dogecoin? I think fundamentally Dogecoin is just going to, as we see that the volatility indicator is very low, I think that we're just going to see Dogecoin going grabby walk, sideways. But the big news right now, the absolute big news is that we have 740 million Doge have left, guys. So what else is coming in? We're seeing that also. We're also seeing a classic Adam and Eve pattern as well that is forming. So that is also bullish. Another bullish pattern that's forming as well. So we've got the head and shoulders on the daily. We also got the Adam and Eve pattern, and things are looking pretty good for Bitcoin from that perspective. And if you bet against Bitcoin, you will lose, ladies and gentlemen. Cats and dogs, amoebas out there. What you've got to do is you've got to zoom out. And trendy money is your friend. Bitcoin at 30,000. Well, before it hit 30,000, it was 6,000 in 2018. And Bitcoin before it hit 19,000, where we are right now, it was 3,000 in 2018. Don't bet against 99% of all the indicators, and do like I did in 2018 if you want to grow your portfolio. Guys, hold like kryptonite hands. You gotta have kryptonite hands, and we're gonna see, basically in 2025 it's going to be crypto to the moon, guys. So absolutely crypto to the moon. Let's hope this patent we can make this happen, guys. So if you take a look at the cycle comparison between 2017 2020, we're seeing something eerily the same. And after their halving, we saw a big boom chakalaka plus 550%, guys. So guys, wait for life-changing wealth. It is coming. It's absolutely coming, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. So I'm pumped, guys. I'm pumped. So finally, Walmart gets it. The Walmart CTO says crypto will become an important part of how customers transact. Well, gee whiz, I don't know that. And the absolute best currency for transaction is the Dogecoin out there. The Dogecoin is going to be a great medium of transaction. And guys, what is going on with Elon Musk? He's got to the 28th, guys, absolutely to the 28th of October to make a decision if he's going to be absolutely buying Twitter out there. So this is bullish news. And if he does, touch me, Dogecoin is going to go to the moon, guys. Absolutely moon chakalaka. Now, this is in from our friend, your friend, Dogecoin, our rope on the soap out there, our guy who loves rope on the soap. He's going to be needing And he just said, Terra founder Dogecoin says the charges against him aren't legitimate and are politically motivated. Well, brother, if they are politically motivated, stop being a wet Nancy. And if you're right, then go turn yourself in. You're just being a bitch, and you deserve a big kick in the nuts. Go turn yourself in. Stop, this whole back and forth drama. Sure, it's sure easy to say this and that from Twitter when you're, living in Timbuktu somewhere, in a non-extradition country, like I think like in Argentina or something. Get on a plane, go fight a career, turn yourself in, and get it over with already. And let the chips fall where they may. If you're innocent, brother, you got nothing to worry about. If you're guilty, you're running and you're hiding. Go and crawl under a rock. We don't want to hear from you anymore. You terrible person. And a lot of people, you cost a lot of people a ton of money out there. So get out of town where nobody wants to talk to you. Absolutely, I don't want to be talking to you. So let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is breaking down right now. Ouch, ouch, ouch. And we could see that Shiba Inu could go back to this trend line here. And if that happens, we could be seeing 9 cents coming in. So it's not looking good for Shiba Inu. And Shiba stays at the mercy of the bears despite the ongoing Shiba Inu burning party. So we have seen, a ton of Shiba Inu being burnt like crazy. We got the Eternity game, we got the Shibarium coming, but the price is still going down, down. And there's been some snowflakes out there who've been saying that in 2025 the Shiba Inu could actually add another zero. I don't know about that one. That could be some 40-foot out there. Guys, what do you think? You think that Shiba Inu is going to add another zero or lose another zero? Comment, smash a like, show some love with super tags. It looks like that, guys. It looks like a heart mark. Get it. Just kidding, guys. Go support the show. I appreciate it. So what else is coming in? Let's take a look at my friend, your friend, Ethereum. Ethereum is breaking down as well. It was at 1,331, but we're also breaking down to the down sign. That's not looking good, guys. But we do have this whole cup and handle pattern that's forming right now. So here's the cup, guys. Here's the cup of the cup. There's the handle. So, if we do break out to the upside, we could be seeing that if we make a measure move from the neckline, which is here, agree the neckline is at 1,331, break down to the downside, and put the point of breakout. That could take, get out of there. Get out of there. I'm all thumbs tonight, guys. I'm all thumbs. I apologize. I do apologize. I'm thumbs. Let me get it for you. Okay, there we go. So if we break that out to the point of neckline, then we can see Ethereum probably having a nice breakout to $1,400. So I think that by the end of this week, we could see a breakout for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and all the other cryptos out there. So that's what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Do you think we're going to be breaking out, guys? I think we're going to be breaking out. Let's take a look at the markets. Market's still looking pretty good. It's still looking healthy, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Go down there, check out the links. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I appreciate it. And guys, get the merch. Get rid of OG gear. Guys, that's all I got. Peace out.